guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are bathing both of my dogs, and shaving my Winifred. So yeah, let's get into it. Just so you know, Winifred, she went hiking this morning and now she smells like mud because she ran in mud. So we're gonna bath her first, and then we're gonna go to a movie, and then we're gonna bath Zero, and we're gonna shave Winifred. Gotta get her in the bathtub now. And then we're gonna start the bath.
She's so squirty. Yeah, she cleaned up little lady. She just poured water on my face! Do I get her head too? Yeah, just so fast. Go. I don't want my face right in her eyes. Okay, can you turn it off now? Sorry. Oh, she smells so bad. Oh my gosh. She really comes back. I love you so much, baby. Stay down here. Yeah, you come. I need to change my sheets. I don't still feel it's all over it. She's in here, Mom.
Zero's turn to get a bath. He's not excited for this.
Do I have to get his tail? And his butthole area. He sometimes struggles to wipe his butt really good and it sticks to the back of his fur. So yeah. Why do you do that? Oh, I record you. No. You're doing great. Yeah, so you probably felt it by now. Oh man. How good he's being. Some of his fur on my hands. Oh, now I gotta get his. I don't like this, Mom. Wow, wow. I tried to scrub it with my. Yeah. Nasty. Turn the water on. You can turn it on. Forgot it was upside down. You have it labeled the crazy dog washing time. That good? Yeah. There's so much fur coming off. Yeah, it helps so you can wash your hands, yeah. A little too hot. And a quick wash over his face, kind of. Like that? Yeah. Can you get? What do you think, Zero? You good? Down. Alright, we ready to let him be free? Yeah. Okay. Now to Royale, which room will he go to? The winner is yours! Crazy dog. Okay, try to dry him more with your towel. Keep going. What happened, Daddy Dog? Did you get wet? Did you get wet, Daddy Dog? Oh, he's starting off pretty fast. First move, that's gross. Yep. There you go, little boy. Yeah, they're both crazy. Oh, that's mostly dry. Is Zero crazy? Is Zero crazy? Are you both chewing out Reagan because she bathed you? You bathed them too. Oh, now he goes under the bed.
Okay, we just finished bathing the dogs, so we are going to go to a movie real quick, and then we're gonna shave Winifred. Okay, we just got back from the movie, and we stopped at Target, and I got the CoverGirl lip stain, Outlast lip stain. What shade was it? I can't remember the shade, but it's really cute and I actually really like it. So yes, and we also got me the NYX something blush. So in the car I opened it and there was no product. Like, guys, why are you doing that? Okay, anyway, let's go get the stuff so we can shave her. Okay, we got all the shaving stuff to, ooh, don't mind my foot. We got all the shaving stuff to shave her. She just ran away. She's like, I don't want to get shaved. No. Also, guys, I just checked and now I have 1,200 subs. Thank you so much. Okay, so we got, oh, sorry about my hand. We got this out and we're gonna pick the sizing we want for her body and then we'll do her legs and all that stuff. I'm sorry, I can't stop looking at this lip combo. I love it. Okay, so I'm thinking of doing 9 or 12 for her main body. So I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, moe real quick. This one it is. Okay, so for her main body, we're doing a 12. And then for her legs, we're gonna do a 6. And then the bottom of her paws, we'll be doing this. She keeps on running away because she doesn't want to get shaved. We're hanging outside. Winifred's shave looks good. I mean, the back of her neck we could have done better, but I'm glad she's all happy. She's shaved and she's happy. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day and bye guys.